Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn off Instagram app playback on your Android device. If you're tired of videos automatically playing as you scroll through your Instagram feed, we've got you covered. Follow these simple steps to take control of your app settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and find the Apps option. Tap on it to access a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and find the Instagram app. Once you've located it, tap on it to open the app settings. Now, look for the Appear on Top option within the Instagram app settings. Tap on it to access more specific settings related to the app's behavior. Within the Appear on Top settings, you'll find an option to allow the app to play videos automatically. To turn off this feature, simply tap on Allow Permission and disable it. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram app playback on your Android device. Now you can enjoy scrolling through your feed without being bombarded by autoplaying videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy scrolling.